Hello guys, how to fix Windows 11 and Windows 10 starting problem, and such type of blue screen will appear in front of you having various type of error code. And to fix this issue, you should turn on power button of your PC and laptop, and as soon as the Windows icon appear, turn off power button and repeat this process 3 times continuously to enter into automatic repair mode. Prepare automatic repair windows will appear in front of you, and again diagnosing your PC. You should wait for sometimes, it will take time. Windows will diagnose your PC and automatic repair tool will appear in front of you. Automatic repair tool, your PC did not start correctly, press restart to restart your PC, which can sometimes fix the problem. You can also press advanced option to try other options to repair your PC. Such message will appear. Here you should choose advanced options, click on it, choose again advanced options and go through the option startup repair, click on it. Windows will now again check issues regarding to your Windows 11 Windows 10 PC, and it will diagnose. It will take times diagnosing your PC. Don't be hurry, it will take some times. Checking disk for errors, this might take over an hour, so you should wait for some times. If this method not works correctly, you should again go to the advanced options features and choose troubleshoot, click on advanced options and go through the other options, system restore, click on it. Windows will start system restore system files and settings. You should click on next button to start system restore. In next window you will find the event restore your computer to the state when your PC was correct. Select it, this event, and click on next button. It will bring you back to the previous good condition of your PC. Click on next. In next window, confirm your restore point. Windows will ask your confirmation. Click on finish button, and once system restore started, cannot be interrupted. Do you want to continue? Here choose yes button to continue system restore. Windows will take time to restore your system in previous state and your problem will resolved accordingly. That's all.